Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Phil from underKG.com, and this is Xiaomi Mi Max 3. So the Mi Max series is the phablet. Phone plus tablet is the big screen. Now this one comes with a 6.9 inch of TFT LCD display, so you can guess how big that's gonna be. Let's go ahead and take a look ourselves. Here is the phone itself. It's this big, and under that is a little leaflet, the quick start guide right there, and a little warranty card. And underneath that is a USB Type-C cable, and that gets connected to this charger, which is Quick Charge 3 compatible. So that's going to give you output of 5 volts 3A, 9 volts 2A, or 12 volts 1.5A. And to the phone itself, as I said, it's got 6.9 inch of Full HD Plus display. The Mi Max 2 has almost the same profile, the physical profile, to the Mi Max 3, but that has 16:9 ratio display. Now this one has 18:9. So they were able to fit in larger screen in a similar size chassis. It's got dual camera, 5500 mAh of battery, that is quick charge compatible. And here is the screen. We're gonna turn it on with the power key on the right hand side, which has the volume rocker right on top of it. On the left hand side is a dual SIM card tray that's going to allow you to have either 2 nano SIM cards or 1 SIM card and micro SD card for your storage expansion. On top you got the earphone jack right there, secondary microphone, and the infrared port, so you can use it as a remote controller. On the back is the dual camera, 12 megapixels and 5 megapixels f1.9 and f2.0, and LED flash right in the center. And this does look like that of the iPhone 10, along with the little antenna line that looks a bit like the one from the iPhone 7. Well, after all, this is a Xiaomi, so we're kind of used to it. There's a fingerprint reader, Xiaomi logo, and this whole back panel is a one piece of metal unibody, and on the bottom is a USB Type-C port and a speaker. This is speaker and this is microphone, and the receiver on the front side is also going to generate some sound. I'm not really sure if we're supposed to call that the stereo speaker, but it does make some sound. Talking about the front facade, this is 8 megapixels of f2.0 camera, and you can see while not being bezel-less, this almost entirely is full of screen. And as we can see that it's done booting up, let's go ahead and set it up. It's got MIUI 9 out of the box. It's going to be soon updated to MIUI 10. And we're here with the system navigation mode. You can choose between either buttons, the classical buttons, or the full screen gestures, which is going to allow you to go home by swiping up, multitasking by swiping up and holding it, and going back from swiping from either left or right. So those are the gestures, and we are done. MIUI 9.6 based on Android Oreo 8.1. There really isn't anything special. It's got pretty generic chipset, Snapdragon 636. The screen doesn't look that amazing. Xiaomi does claim that it gets as bright as 520 nits, and both rear and front-facing camera supports the portrait mode, the rear one through the dual lenses and the front one through the software. It comes in 2 different storage configurations, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. That's around $270 in mainland China, and 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage, which retails around $300. It's got a massive 5500 mAh of battery, and we're expecting some amazing numbers from that massive cell. And the screen to body ratio also looks pretty decent at this massive size. So that was the unboxing and quick look on the Xiaomi Mi Max 3. This is pretty heavy at 221 grams. We'll get back with the review very soon. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. You can always meet us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. We'll see you guys later. Ciao.